see with the
dark
building
out.
in the way.
That really dark cloud. Oh, yeah, I see it. That's a funnel cloud. Oh, crud.
See that out there?
Yeah. There's a funnel cloud here. I already prayed the rosary.
Oh, I got it going on live now. See, look at this. This is coming from this way. That's coming from that. Feel the cold air?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Is it moving away from us?
Yeah. This is coming up that way. This is coming up this way. That's what's causing all this. Look at this.
If I actually see a tornado touch down in that field all the way over there,
It's a good possibility that it could.
I'm seriously putting that on my channel. Man, this is so weird. This is nature. Well, this funnel cloud pretty much is like...
There's nothing going on yet, but look at how it glows like that. That's that is tornado type weather right there. It's exactly how it looked down here. With that whole thing in
I think
Aroma Park.
I think I'm seeing a spark. Like right there, right there. Right there, right there, right
Oh, and
there.
it dissipated.
Oh. Is it a jumper?
No, it's just not developing.
Tonight for my brother Tom, who 3 weeks ago at my oldest brother's interment was experiencing some stomach pains, and it turned out he had stage 4 adrenal cancer.
There. I see like a little speck.
Kingdom come, that will be done on earth as it is.
There's a funnel cloud around here. Out far there. We just saw like a little bit of it coming out, but then it just left. A tornado was trying to form out there.
Yeah, it was rotating some because these clouds are coming this way, these clouds are coming this way, and it was starting to rotate out there.
Did they? Cool.
It's like coming from
There are
something.
there are many of them trying to
I see the
like
one there.
four of them like tornadoes were trying to come out.
That's why all the alarms are going off.
Yeah, 3 times.
3 times, yeah. Now it's starting to get cold.
Yeah.
No wind.
There's wind. I can see
No.
one. Over there is brick.
There's no hail.
Something mysterious way.
Yeah. It's like coming and going.
It's too light. It's gonna be dark enough. There's no hail.
You don't want hail. Did you see the hail they got in Kankakee that 3 months
I work
ago?
at Gerber, yeah. I know.
Yeah, in March, my sister,
Yeah,
Tom
March
House
10th.
got.
I'm even doing a video too to try to see if I can catch it even out in the field.
Nothing going on there.
Yeah, there's nothing going on no more, honey.
Oh, false
No more,
alarm.
not anymore.